You need to pass a written exam to get your driver's license.
There are various approaches to plagiarism across different university departments.
He was an abstract expressionist painter.
The university will complete a colossal renovation to the plain, empty theatre.
You can register your card at the University Student Center or the library.
You need warmer clothes for winter.
Students are allowed to bring dictionaries to the exam.
I would like my assignment to be less than 2,000 words. You can add a salad to your meal.
Please keep the keys with you because the front door often locks automatically.
The study of archaeology requires extensive international fieldwork.
It is expected that all students will have their own laptops.
None of the students found it difficult to get a job.
The literal output of this research is prolific and diverse. He is particularly interested in 18th century French society. Such behaviors are regarded as a deviation from the norm.
The graph shows the population growth in the last century.
The origin of psychology can be traced back to ancient Greece.
Experts cannot agree on a single definition of intelligence.
There is a lot more about this topic on the university website.
After considering all the options, she decided to take the risk.
A man who suffered serious brain damage during an operation is suing the hospital.
Social work is not the only subject in sociology.
Collaboration is a feature of a successful company.
Today's lecture is cancelled because the lecturer is ill. Telecommunication is based on an array of networks.
We can discuss education in the tutorial next week.
There is not enough space for me in the car.
I think your watch is fast. You need to reset it.
The website has probably the most attractive layout.